Alright guys, today we're tearing into the Arctic Trail motor. It's found in like a RZR type side-by-side. They made them from 2014 to 2020. They're really good machines, other than when you run them out of oil. The plain bearings go extremely quick. Like what happened with this one is it threw a rod through the case simply because it was low on oil. So we're going to tear it down, show you the damage, and yeah, let's get started. The starter motor off. See, we got our starter gear here. Take that out. Got our oil pump. Runs off our counterbalancer. And our crankshaft here with our magneto. But we actually need a special puller to pull off this flywheel, but where we're just tearing it apart to see the damage in this motor. It's basically scrap metal anyways. We're just gonna leave it on there for now, but just know if you are tearing apart your motor, you do need a specialty tool to pull off this flywheel. Oh yeah, got a little bit of glitter in there. We did better than we thought. Much better. The crank didn't hit the head, didn't bend the valves. Looking good, actually. Very surprising. No marks whatsoever. Huh. Aha! There's your problem right there. So there's our problem right there. Crank came apart, smashed through the cylinder. Yeah, nice and toasty. Keep the oil levels up on these things. Oh! Pulled out. That shows a little better. Nice big hole there. Oh yeah. That's nice. All of our motor right there. Crank bearings and all. Very nice. This is the screen going into our oil pump. You can see there's quite a few fragments in there. Awfully goopy. Very nice. Something I didn't notice when we pulled the oil pan off. That's a crank bolt right there. That's what bolts our crank bearings together. So you can see it just sheared off completely. Through half the clamshell. Through the connecting rod through the case. You can see right here all of our engine case, some nice big chunks there, motor. Very nice. Just fell all down the motor. Oil pump there. Well, there we go. You can see this one's still pretty good. This one got really hot. You can see the discoloration on the metal. And basically, it floats on like an oil film pressure, basically, between the metal. When you don't have enough oil, basically it's just metal on metal, constant contact. So they last really long if you do have oil, but if you don't, this happens. You can see if we take this crankshaft out, set this camera down, take that crankshaft out, it just lifts out like that. And then our counterbalancer. You can see our other half of crankshaft in there. Just got way too hot and fell apart. Took and divoted the metal there. Obviously put the hole through the case. It's a rough one. Thanks for watching, guys.